All right, guys, guess what I just got? There's only a very few companies out there actually making these glasses, these type of glasses. And I'm kind of geeking out on, I don't have the super expensive ones, never played with them, just kind of heard them. But I wanted to see if this is worth all the hype. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Fashion statement or not? I'm not buying these sunglasses to make a fashion statement. They do, I mean, they do act as really good sunglasses, so that's a plus, but that's not why I got them. So I got them because you see right here, you can see right here, it's a video camera. When I'm on my bike or my scooter, or when I'm just out there fishing and then I catch a fish, boom, I'm ready to go. I can capture that video. You never know when you're going to need it. And, you know, even just pulling your phone out, how are you going to do that with your hands are tied or you're driving or whatever? Boom, you can start recording in an instant, right? Now, they do come with different lenses. So in the bag, you're going to get some clear ones. You're going to get some strong tinted ones, and then you're going to get some black ones. The ones that are on here kind of makes that yellow tint. So if you like that, that's the ones that it comes with. Yeah. That's the tint that I like. So I'm probably gonna change these lenses out, and they're super easy. They just pop out just like that, and then they just pop in. So they pop out and they pop in. Man, that's super easy. It almost is like a little too easy, where I feel like maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it should be a little tougher or cinch in, but no, that's in. All right, so right out of the gate, they feel really sturdy in the hand. They don't feel like they're gonna break on me. They do have some good quality to it. Yeah, I definitely like this lens a lot better. Again, I was able to show you how easy it is to swap that out. Or you can go with nobody can see your eyes, everybody can see your eyes. You can see my eyes a little bit, right? And so you get a lot of different options there. They also give you an adapter for a USB-C to USB-A right there. And then what I need right this second is a cleaning cloth. So that's pretty cool. Kind of OCD things. I just don't like glasses that have fingerprints on them. All right, so I want to show you this. To power it up, you have right here. So this is on the right hand side over your ear. You got a little button right there, if you can see it, to power it, and then you have a charging slot right here. The charging slot is really tiny, as I kind of like that. Actually, it's not going to be the easiest thing in the world to get out, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure these are waterproof. Now these aren't, they're water resistant. Let me just say that they're water resistant, so you can get these wet, but don't go swimming with them, right? So you can get them wet from sweat, jogging, if it starts to rain, whatever. It's going to come configured at 1080p. So if you want to increase the resolution, you can, all the way up to 16, 20, 30. You're going to need to know how to do that. Once you plug it into the computer, you're going to be able to do that. So for me, in my use case, 1080, 30 is just fine. With this adapter right here, you can actually hook it up to your phone. You have a USB-C adapter right here. You can plug it in to the camera, and then you can view the files back from your phone. So that's a cool thing too. You got to be careful though, because if you accidentally press this button, it's going to record. But that's kind of cool though. All you got to do is press this button right here, and it starts recording instantly. If you accidentally press it, it's going to start recording, right? And to get it to stop recording, you have to press and hold it. So right now it is recording. If you guys can see that little light right there, it is recording. And now I am recording me. How cool is that? So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this recording. We're gonna test these sunglasses out on my scooter here. I'm gonna ride a little bit, and we're gonna record and see how the video goes. Compare between the video here and the video on my sunglasses. And let's take a look and see. I'm recording with my sunglasses right now. Everywhere I look, you're gonna see. Isn't that cool? Testing the audio, seeing how good the audio is. Here's the DJI audio with my wireless mic. It's a professional mic, so I would imagine it's gonna do better. And now here is the glasses audio. Let's see how this does. Now, again, this is going to be something that is just going to be super cool because you can just pull right up and record. Oh yeah, I'm wearing glasses, and I will tell you this much, they're not heavy. They're sunglasses. You forget you even have a camera attached. And maybe I'll come out here and get some fishing footage. That's pretty cool. It's going to record probably about 90 minutes of footage for you before the battery dies. So if you want a video camera that acts as sunglasses or sunglasses that acts as a video camera, I'm not sure which is which. But either way, I'd highly recommend these. It's just fun and cool to have for sure.